Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Passwords and Security. Now click on Screen Lock at the top left corner and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Following that, after waiting 5 seconds, choose Got It in the pop-up and then create your login method. Now repeat it in order to confirm it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add a fingerprint right away, you can do that by tapping on Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now or ever, just tap on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!